Alright guys, so we're heading to our next destination. Charlie, say hello. Charlie. Yes. What is up guys, it's me Mayra. I'm with my niece Elise and we're having brunch here at Maison De Crepe. I hope I pronounced it right. Can you say crepe? Crepe. Say crepe.
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 Crepe. Say crepe. Say crepe, Charlie. Come on, say crepe. So yeah. So I've ordered their salmon and the crepe itself, it's quite weird. It's my first time to see this kind of texture, but it looks really good. It's crispy on the edge and the outside. So let's have a try. There's avocado, capers, spinach, drizzle some lemon. Let's have a try. It's really good. I can't stop eating this, guys. I'm being honest. So good. So Marian's trying my salmon. Oh, yeah, it's really good, no? Yeah, I love the crunchiness of the crepe. The edge of the crepe is really fucking good. I gotta say, it's the best savory crepe I've ever had in my entire life. I'm not overacting, but it's really good. The crepe itself, as you can see, this one is the best. The salmon itself, it's really nice. They have the homemade aioli. It's really good. The flavor is well balanced. The red onions, it's perfectly, the combination is really, really good. It's extremely delicious, guys. Gotta say, it's really good. After a bumpy road, here we are and our destination, the glamping site. What time is it? 4:28, but they expect us here at 3 p.m. But ayun, ayun na si Kuya, ayun yung car niya. Oh. Let's go guys! Everyone is excited, so let's go! Dapat English. Okay.
So welcome to our hacienda. As you can see, it's really... Ay, ang pangit ko. Dinner, Chef Mike.
So tonight's dinner is very simple. I've got some potatoes. I'm gonna boil them and toast them. Not really toast because we don't have an oven, but like just fry them. And I've got some steak, just salt and pepper, garlic, butter, and drizzle some olive oil. And I've got some green salads. Now I'm just making some potatoes here. I'm just cutting them quarters. And I've got some garlic in here. So the flavor of our potatoes is just salt and pepper and just olive oil, very simple. And we're gonna touch it and finish it with some butter garlic. So it's just very simple but yet tasty. So guys, right here I've got some potatoes. We're just gonna boil them for about 15 minutes. Ooh, it's very hot. Oh, Shamai. Hi. Shemai. I don't know what I said. So at least about 15 minutes. All right, that's it. All right. I'm just grilling some potatoes. Later on, we're just gonna make some steak.
Yum!
Look at that, guys. Hear that drizzle. Look at this, guys. Woo!
Looks so good.
And the garlic.
Yum.
Chucking in there. More garlic, of course, for aroma.
And flavor, of course. Yum. We'll see you later.
Yeah.
Welcome back, Chef.
Look at that steak, baby.
Oh.
Cheers, guys.
It's a necessity, guys. Oh. Look at that. And look at the potatoes, guys.
Look at that potatoes, guys. Really toasted well. We've boiled them, soft in the inside and a little bit of crust in the outside. Look at that. Smells really, really delicious. And the steak, woo! Can you smell it, Josh?
Yeah.
Yeah, right? Look at that. Let's have a try, guys. So delicious. having some cheese board and some cold meats, prosciutto and salami. Just gonna put it on the board. We bought this set of cheese boards, so it has cheddar, Dutch smoke process, and Gouda, and yeah, we have some Caesars ready. I hope you guys see it, because here we only have some like Christmas lights and some flashlight on my head. So this is all the cheese, prosciutto and salami. Look at that. A lot of presentation because we're here outside, like out of nowhere. Look at that. Then we got here some. Where did I put my crackers on? Huh? Where's my crackers? Where's my crackers? Where's still taking? Where's my crackers? Oh my god.